In the bustling hustle of Wall Street, amidst the chaos of numbers and trades, emerges a legend whose name would become synonymous with stock trading superiority. Jesse Lawrenceston Livermore, born into poverty in 1877, would come to be known as Boy Plunger and later the Great Bear of Wall Street. At 14, his father pulled him out of school to assist with farm work, so he fled the confines of farm life and entered the bustling world of trading, starting as a board boy in a Boston brokerage. He left with his mother's blessing and $5. At 16, he came back home with $1,000 for his mother, but she disapproved of his plunging, aka risky speculations and gambling. He then returned to Boston and began his legend, winning $10,000 in the span of 2 years of gambling and trading. And at age 23, he left for New York as Boston mostly banned him from trades as he was winning way too much. 5 days in New York led to Livermore turning $10,000 into $50,000. Several months later, he lost it all due to a faulty ticker tape, then borrowed $2,000 from a friend and left for St. Louis to continue his betting. His most tried and true strategy was short selling stocks. Short selling is the practice of borrowing stocks from a broker, selling those stocks on the market, expecting them to drop in price, buying them back, and then returning the stock to the broker. The profits come from the difference in the price sold versus the price repurchased at. Livermore earned a significant profit by shorting the market the day before the 1906 San Francisco earthquake, netting him $250,000. He did this again a year later during the panic of 1907, making $1 million in a single day. He later capitalized on the market rebound after receiving advice from J.P. Morgan himself, securing an additional $3 million. Beyond trading, Livermore was inspired by his son to share his wisdom, so he wrote How to Trade Stocks, offering insights that continue to influence traders to this very day. And as great as men rise is as great as they fall, because Livermore's personal life could be seen as quite the opposite of his career. He was divorced twice, actively cheated throughout his first 2 marriages, and had drinking and lavish spending problems. His second wife was half his age when they married, and the only one he had kids with. When he had married his third wife, she was on husband number 5, and at least 2 had killed themselves. He also killed himself at age 63 on Thanksgiving Day. Though times have changed and markets have evolved, the principles of Jesse Livermore remain as relevant as ever, reminding us of the power of patience, discipline, and a well-timed trade.